I like sweet too, and Tannis likes more.
But you know what? Mixed together, it'll be. Hold on, we may have to switch partners. Tannis, no, what are you doing? I'm ditching you. She's not realizing what I'm saying. Your partner. When you mix it together,
Is a no. And what you're gonna do is once you get the no's out of the way, out of your yes and maybe piles, you're gonna start comparing scents. So like bringing two together to smell it to see if it works. And what we recommend is picking one scent that you really like, so one that you both agree on, and then using that one and just matching the other scents to compare. And once you're ready, you can even do up to 3.
so what's our max?
3.
Okay.
You can, whatever you decide that you like, you can mix together. And if you want help, that is what I am.
So that's what you're supposed to do? Put like 3?
Yeah.
Hey, she's gotten to the chase.
You're supposed to swirl.
She's gotten to the chase. No, I know how to
Tell you that. And then if you don't like something,
Put it in the no.
yes.
That's a no. Here, I like
We're gonna do
the
it
most.
kind of a
See what
yes,
you
no, I
think.
like these, and we just keep narrowing it down.
Yes or no?
If you keep going like this, I almost like throw up.
Okay, then put it on there. That's good. We'll get through it faster. No, that's our
are
no
no
Oh, it's a
pile.
no.
I really like that one. I'm trying to figure this out. Maybe if I drink more IPA, it'll help.
Like it in the thing, but now
I do like better.
Did you ask if they had a beer candle?
They didn't. Bourbon.
You know, you guys sniff the coffee
Oh, do you?
beads to clear your nose. Yeah, in
yeah, to
between.
clear your
Cleanse your palate, your nose palate.
That or you can smell your
What is that?
Oh, really?
What is that scent?
Olfactory?
Oh, thank you.
I think I did get one extra, thank you.
Olfactory.
Oral factory.
O-L. Olfactory.
Olfactory?
Olfactory.
No, O-L. And then factory.
Olfactory.
Olfactory.
I'm clearing out
Those are my top
olfactory.
5. No pressure, Alice, but those are my top 5 right there.
Top 5, okay, all right.
You have to yell at us, I'm serious.
I have to yell at you to get busy?
You have to yell at you, especially that one with that black hair.
It was like pink sugar, and the 20-year-olds were loving it.
I would rather have these than this honey.
It's kind of strong.
It's fall. I love
One at a time, gentle puffs of air, give it a smell. Be sure it's gentle puffs. You don't want to squeeze it so hard to squirt in your face. It's like you poured soap in your eyes. And it will smell like that. Real okay. Gentle smells. Now, yes. That's on your right side. Maybe is in the middle. I don't like that. Get rid of it out here. Okay? Yes, no, and maybe.
Tequila?
You're gonna pick the one that you both like.
Margarita? Yeah, that.
No wonder I like it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. Pick the one that you both want to have in that candle.
Sometimes just smelling your own
That
scent
could kind of be a
will help
dark.
too.
And what is that? What's in the jar?
Coffee.
She covered it up.
Now, I learned this from down there. You have to pull it from the bottom, scrape down, and pull up the. There you go, and then put it up.
So the oil's heavier. She didn't tell us that. All right. Thank you, Tom, for sharing the secret.
Pull it down from the bottom, pull it up so it distributes.
It's like when the chocolate chips thing.
Yeah, exactly.
I just flicked some out. What if I flicked some out?
So same thing, you're gonna stir it for a good minute.
My 2 favorite colors are black and gold.
Stick it down to the bottom. And let's get it
Suck
closer
up.
so you can look down in there.
I'm not kidding.
Those are
Black and gold, that's our logo.
I know. That's
I called her a teacher's
Yeah, I like it. Actually, I like it too.
I remember. Do you remember we used to have to each update our own websites?
No, I really don't.
Because I had prospertexas.net and I would have to update that one.
I bet you love that, do you?
I actually didn't mind. I liked it. That was the Tom Grisak mentorship program.
A lot of my friends' houses in that.
Welcome to real estate. I'm going to teach you how to do everything.
Once you've gone through and you have all 3 of your fragrances in there, then you'll take your spoon, stir with the end of your spoon gently so it doesn't splash out. Tap it on your towels because it might possibly stain if it drips on you.
Okay, Gertie. You did that, not me.
No, I didn't.
You did it this one. That's why I went that way.
Gently go like this.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do 1, 2, 3,
Tap won't drip on your
together
clothes.
like this and swirl.
I'm a former science teacher. I got it.
Oh, you do? Okay. Oh, well then, okay.
I know how to
Okay.
measure my liquids.
He's doing the same thing Jen did.
Okay.
All right, you put 3 in?
Yeah.
Okay.
There's 3 of that. And that is the bourbon. So 1, 2, 3. No, she was
Everybody's pretty
She
much
was actually
finished. You guys are
UT.
starting over.
high school.
We're getting spanking over here.
It's not a
We might have
contest.
been at the same time. I don't know.
Oh, she didn't like your
But it
product
was
either?
giving me a headache.
Yeah, well, she didn't like your product.
It's a picture or video.